10th class, Assalamu alaikum. In Pakistan Studies class, we are doing chapter number 1. Today's topic is Benazir's second term in office, that is from 1993 to 1996. General elections were held in the country in October 1993, in which Pakistan People's Party got majority and formed its government. Benazir Bhutto became the Prime Minister for the second time. People's Party got majority in Sindh and Punjab and made its government. Being the Prime Minister for the second time, Benazir adopted a very careful approach regarding the formation of the cabinet, relations with the bureaucracy, and freedom of media. The government took many important steps to improve the image of the country. Among those steps, the first one is reducing unemployment. Second is improving literacy. Third is eliminating load shedding of electricity. Fourth is improving the state of health care. Fifth is eradicating drug trafficking. Sixth is crime and terrorism will be controlled. Seventh is review of foreign policy. And eighth is national resources improvement. There are two provincial governments of Pakistan People's Party in Sindh and Punjab. Now People's Party interfered in other two provinces as well. They wanted to make their provincial governments in KP and Balochistan. So, the government of Pir Sabir Shah in KP was toppled down and Aftab Ahmad Khan Sherpao became the chief minister. In Balochistan, the government of Zulfikar Ali Maksi was brought down and a PPP-led government was made there. There were different problems which were faced by the government. Among those problems, first one is the conflict between Pakistan People's Party and MQM. Due to these conflicts, the law and order situation was not good in Sindh. Second problem was related with the budget. In June 1994, Pakistan People's Party presented its first budget and it created many problems for the government, as this budget proposed new taxes of 128 billion rupees and people started revolt against the government. The third problem which was faced by the government was related with the powers of the local government bodies. It was restored by the Supreme Court on June 26, 1996. But the government made a legislation to keep all those powers with it. And the fourth problem was related with the general sales tax. With the imposition of general sales tax, the trader community launched a strike of 2 days against the government. There were many differences between the president and the prime minister. And the most important conflict was related with the appointment of the judges. The government invited the opposition parties to discuss the matters, but no result came. Farooq Ahmad Khan Laghari, the President of Pakistan, he enforced the Article 58 2B of the Constitution, and by using the power to dissolve the National Assembly, he dissolved it, and the new ex-speaker of National Assembly, Malik Miraj Khalid, became the caretaker Prime Minister. He announced new general elections in 1997. So, by using the power of 8th Amendment, the President Farooq Ahmad Khan Laghari dissolved the National Assembly and the government of Benazir came to end. Thank you.